Reading practice number 5. Dear Mr. Baxter, welcome to the family of charged customers of the Victory Men's Shop, We look forward with genuine pleasure to serving your needs promptly, efficiently, and courteously. We have been satisfying the clothing needs of the men in this community continuously since 1960, and we are confident that we can satisfy your needs as well, Our clothing is recognized by men throughout the area for its character, its style, and its quality. We know you will be pleased with our fine values, and you will be delighted with our prices that are so easy on your budget. Do come in soon, Mr. Baxter, and look over the new summer suits we have just placed on our racks. Sincerely yours,